Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Roosevelt Middle School in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, in the library again for my final session of 2024-2025. And today's topic was perseverance. The sub-theme was have a growth mindset. And perseverance, kind of like the image on the screen, one of the slides in the presentation, says don't quit, but it also says do it, right? It's all about perspective. It's whether we choose not to quit, not to give up, to keep trying, to keep persevering, pushing, right? Persisting until success happens. And the students today was another pin drop assembly. Definitely some heartfelt stories about some students all across this nation. Some I've had got the opportunity to interact with, some that you just kind of heard about their story on the news, that have been through a lot at a very young age, but are still choosing to see it as an opportunity, right? That the challenges that we face, we're going to face them. There could be opportunities to grow, or they could limit us, right? They could make us give in and just give up, right? And so when we're talking about a fixed versus a growth mindset, we want to have a growth mindset, a growth mentality, where there's always room for improvement. That, you know, if we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. If we fail, we're not a failure. That we aren't jealous if someone else succeeds. We're just going to try our best, right? That we can control our outcome, right? We have the effort, not always the outcome, but we can, definitely control our attitude and how we approach anything in life, whether it's something here at school, a friendship, a loss, a difficult new life lesson that we're trying to get, or a new talent that we're trying to acquire. We always have that ability to strengthen our abilities, right? And it's that self-belief, right? The person we'll talk to the most in our life is ourself. We want it to be something positive, because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. And so making sure that we're not limited or just fixed and never getting any better in any aspect of life, but always saying, look, these are opportunities in front of me that can make me stronger if I let them. And 10 times out of 10, that's what's going to happen. And so, I don't come to these assemblies to pretend like I know what goes on behind closed doors. I don't. I come with an open heart, try and touch a small piece of theirs. And for the students to hear that today, to, see the realness, the genuine concern for their well-being, it's where I can take the message deeper. And they really responded, And it always ties into what I bring up in every talk that I give, the concept of the miracle, right? With the lines on our hand, we have the letter M, trace one of mine here, upside down, W, but that stands for miracle and worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to choose that, right? To be that light to someone's heart. No matter what we go through, have gone through, will go through, that we have this open space to just kind of carve our path, right? And look, dirt's going to hit us. The storms are going to come, sometimes for the rainbows to appear. And that's why I wear this shirt, to reinforce that particular message for this program. My positivity one as well. The words say, keep your head up. They're upside down on purpose, because if you're feeling down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. So again, I'm hoping a lot of what I shared today, the inspirational videos, the physical props, the picture slides, all of it really impressed upon their heart that idea of perseverance, no matter what, that we don't quit, that we always keep striving to be better every day. Thanks, touching my heart. Can't wait to see you again in the fall. Until then, though, have a great rest of May, early June, great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.